How to make people respect you. It is most important that the people with you work, study and live, they should respect you. But respect is never given. Even we have to earn respect all the time. Your friends and team might be respect your habits, your ability or your intelligence, but there is more respect than you deserve. If you want to become a respectful person, then you really want to win this game. Here are some tips and tricks that can help you to make people respect you. Number 1. Listen well. Listening is active process. Actively listening by taking your own opinion and thoughts of your mind and actually hear what the other person trying to convey. In these days, people have average listening power and most of people cannot listen carefully. However, they are waiting for their just turn to speak. Instead of telling your tale, ask questions to people that can encourage the speaker tell you more. When you practice effectively listening skills, you make others feel important and they will respect you as well. Number 2. Don't make excuses. Your actions are based on your choice. There is no reasons to excuse. If you are late, it is probably because you did not manage your time effectively. People make excuses for all sort of things. Instead of giving excuse, it is always better to politely say no rather than giving excuse. Excuse will short terms, eventually people will lose trust in you. For example, if your colleague asking for your help or you cannot able to help them, then you politely say no to them. They will appreciate that you don't lie them or excuse them. Number 3. Act respectfully. You should eliminate non-respectful behavior such as rolling your eyes, concentrating on your cell phone when talking to someone. These actions disrespectful of person with you are interacting. Be respectful to people who are different from you even if you don't understand them very well. Practicing good manner is a way to be respectful of other people, space and time. Number 4. Let go of anger. Holding anger doesn't hurt anyone but yourself. Allow yourself not to be angry. People get angry during talking and debating. You can respect someone's point of view even you totally disagree with that. The key is to disagree with the process is saying without undermining the actual person's worth. For example, you might strongly disagree with someone's political belief, but you can still value the person as a human being and people will respect the way and try to understand and listening your opinion as well. Last but not least, be willing to change. A popular proverb, respect yourself, then you will be respected. If you wish to earn respect, you should respect yourself first. Make an effort to grow as a person, learn new skills, try new activities, and especially re-examine your behavior and feel good about things make you a better person. If you like this video, so please subscribe our channel to get more knowledgeable and self-development videos update. And finally, thanks for watching.